on YouTube, and welcome back to the Chevy Infotainment 3 Series Guide. As always, this is Jeremiah, aka GMBullfrog, and today we're going to be covering the in-vehicle navigation function of the Chevy Infotainment Center 3. I want to go ahead and stress the in-vehicle navigation part because there is a few different ways that you can navigate in your vehicle. You can use the in-vehicle navigation. You can also use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and connect your phone and navigate that way. You can also use turn-by-turn navigation through OnStar, or you can bust out the map, the pencils, the rulers, the protractors, and then you can straight Lewis and Clark it and go old school if you want. But we're going to do it the easy way, and we're going to go ahead and just click this little navigation button right here. And from here, you want to go to a certain location, you know where you want to go. We're going to go ahead and select this little icon right there. And then we can type in here wherever we want to go, or an area that we want to go to. So Indianapolis, Indiana is the closest city to us. So we'll just go ahead and just type in IND, and then Indianapolis pops up there. And then here it's going to show you a result of everything that has Indianapolis in the name. But we want to go to the actual city, so we'll just click on the top one here. And it's going to navigate the shortest route to Indianapolis from your current location. You can alter the route by pressing the route button, and it's going to calculate a few different options for you. So say you want to take a little more scenic route and take a longer route, you're more than welcome to. You can also click this button up here in the corner that has a little X and a little squiggle line. And here you can use options to avoid. So if you want to avoid highways, unpaved roads, carpool lanes, ferries, toll roads, tunnels, country borders, whatever you want to avoid, you can click here and it'll take them off of your route for you. I personally don't like unpaved roads. If I can avoid them, I will. Same thing with carpool lanes. Definitely toll roads, because I don't have to pay unnecessary money when I'm driving, then I'm going to do that. You can also click this button up here to remember your settings. That way, every single time you type in a navigation, it's going to remember you want to avoid these things, and it'll always avoid those things if it's possible. But anyway, once we set our route customization the way we like it, we go ahead and select where we want to go. Click the go button here.
Please proceed to the highlighted road.
And it's going to highlight our route that it wants us to take and show us where we need to go. The vehicle also speaks to you, giving you audible directions on where to go. That way you don't have to look away from your road and what's in front of you in order to see where you're going. Some other neat things that you can do: if you press this little 3 button here, you can go show on map, and you can select if you want to see gas stations, restaurants, fast food, coffee, ATMs, so on and so forth. You can select it to where the map shows those on your route. So we'll go ahead and select those 3 there, and then right there it shows on a dark purple gas stations, light pinkish purple restaurants, and then we have down here some fast food restaurants. If you click on the button, it actually shows you the name of the restaurant and how far it is away from you. Or that's a gas station there, sorry. Let's choose one that's a little bit out of our way. We'll choose this one here. This shows us a Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen's about 3 minutes away from us. So we'll go ahead and click 3 minutes. And it shows us the address, the name of the business, and we can click here to add to our trip. It's going to add 6 minutes to our trip because it's going to be 3 minutes down to Dairy Queen and 3 minutes back to our regular route. Or we could do new destination, to where we just go straight to Dairy Queen and it cancels our route to Indianapolis. You can also call Dairy Queen using the call feature from your vehicle, or you can use the favorite button and then you can favorite this as a location. So those are some neat features, and you can do the same thing with gas stations if you like, or regular restaurants, whatever you want to do. You can do it that way. Something else you can do with this is you can do traffic events. The traffic event shows you any traffic events that are along your route, which there are currently no traffic events along our route. That may change as the day goes on. You can also look nearby within a 100-mile radius to see all the traffic events around you. You can search down through there. Let's go ahead and go back again. And that's one last thing I wanted to show you guys real quick, is right here on this 3 little line button. This gives you turn-by-turn navigation, so you can kind of see what is going ahead of you, so you know which exits you want to leave, which exits you want to take, and you know how far you have to go. So exit 111, I want to make sure I get ahead to start on that so I can check that. I can also edit this to where I can delete these and it won't show them, and it'll recalculate the route to avoid that certain road. So it's just another way to customize it, and it's going to reroute us here. and then show us how we can get there with avoiding the routes we just selected. All right, well, that's pretty much all there is to the navigation feature. Definitely feel free to play around. This is a really neat function. It's very intuitive. You can pretty much customize it to avoid anything that you want to avoid or take any route you want to go. This navigation will get you there by a click of a button. But thank you very much. I hope you guys found this very informative. And if you have any questions, definitely feel free to comment below, and I will get to it the best that I can. Or you could always call Silver's One Chevrolet, and we can help you out here. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to continue watching the other videos on the Chevy Infotainment Series 3, where I cover audio, phone features, everything else on that Infotainment 3 series there is to cover, we've got it covered. Thank you very much for your time, and you guys keep doing you, and have a good day.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to see more like it, click on the link over here for more helpful tips, tutorials, and vehicle demonstrations. If you have any questions, or if there's anything you want featured in my next video, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get access to all my latest videos on the GM products. Thank you so much for your support, and drive safe out there.